Maybe do it.
Dad?
Do it! Show me. Show me.
You're Batman?
What?
Roll on your face.
No.
Yeah, roll it. Oh, actually now you're just smearing your slobber. Oh, hi! Hi! Hi, cute girl.
Oh.
No, not on your, do it on your face. Do it on your face. Yes. Oh, so nice, so relaxing.
Nice.
Oh, do it on the baby's, yep. We do it on the baby's face. Do it on the baby's face. Oh, good job.
Babies?
Babies?
Mom? Yes?
Mama's face. Oh, thank you. Hey, do you like it?
No.
Say yes.
Let's get the balls going.
Yes.
Big job to do down there. Right away, sir.
Bugs, bugs, bugs. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. MacDonald.
I love you.
Hello.
Love you.
Dad.
Where's Dad? Is Daddy working?
No.
Yes, he is. Say yes. Yes. Cause then I can. Whoa! Yeah, I missed part of it.
Ready? Mom.
Yep. You almost disappeared, buddy.
Ready?
Uh-huh. Did it? You guys are sunken. Yeah, you did. The snow is crazy.
Usually, it would be like pretty deep down.
No, you can't see our gnome.
You know what? I'm gonna dig for him. I'm gonna go dig for him.
You can go try and find the gnome.
Yep, we're gonna go try to.
Okay, good luck.
Whoa! Let's see if we can even get over this. Here before, here used to be as big as this sunflower right here.
Yeah.
I'm floating on top of it.
Yeah, you are. You're like on like 4 feet of snow.
I know.
Oh, you're sinking. Like the snow right now is up to my waist. You're gonna be digging for a while.
Yes, we're saving it.
What are you trying to save? The flower?
Huh?
I don't know why we didn't chop it down.
Huh?
So you trying to save the flower?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa, don't fall.
I'm almost there. Wait, is there a dead bee on it?
I don't know.
Dang it, well, I know. The gnome's a little bit closer to the...
Are you taking care of your cow? I got your baby in the high chair. That's so sweet. Are you feeding your baby cow? Give it some milk. Give it a bottle. Can you give your cow a bottle?
No.
Give it a drink. Oh, good job, Tay. Yeah. Did you bring it a donut? Yeah, is that its donut to eat? Right here. Is this for the cow? Is that for the cow to eat? No? Oh, thank you.
But that's not. Baby.
Oh, okay. Gonna feed you, baby? You are, though. You keep saying no. Oh, gotta get it in your buckle. Let's get it in your buckle. There we go. Oh, and baby cow? Okay. There we go. Can you feed him? Oh, you got your spoon? Good job, sissy. Oh! How come that baby has black all over her? Yeah, what happened? Hey, you're a good mommy. You're such a good mommy. Ah! I can't shake the baby. Ah! Ah! Is it her bow? So you're as tall as that pole right now?
Yeah.
I'll have to remeasure in the summer to show how tall the snow really is.
Whoa.
You want to come in the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait for me.
Dance?
I cleared off the snow.
You did?
I tripped in the snow.
Look at Baba and Lily. Whoa! Oh, Benson's gone. Oh, there you go, Lou. It is so you can do it.
I'm the king of the world.
Yeah, you are. That's some tall snow. You found the helicopter, you said?
Yeah.
Good job. I saw you jumping on the tramp earlier. What'd you say?
I just found the top of the helicopter.
Okay, here it is.
It's way easier to get up rather than step on it sometimes. Oh, what? It smells like a tree for me. Me too. Why does it smell? Okay, so we finally found this.
I found it. It's like that.
Now we're gonna try to free it.
Yeah.
It's just that. Now we want to dig down here. Okay?
It's like a spinning wheel.
Yeah, it is. So let's just spin. Okay, we want to dig down there. Okay? That's good. Keep digging down. And while you're digging down, we're gonna catch back with you. We're gonna catch back with you when we have found something else cool. We found a ton.
What'd you do?
We just found a ton.
Are you serious? Okay. It's already on.
What? A different color? You must have found red.
I found where we have to go. I found where we have to find. I thought it go down right now.
I know. Hang on, little, stop. So, we managed to find all of this. It does come here, come down right there. It's all the way along down there somewhere. Well, can you walk?
That's where my brother's going.
Ew! That's ice I just punched. What the heck are they doing? And if you guys didn't know, we're a big dirt bike fan. Look, can you put it on my face?
Yeah, they are.
the biggest group I've seen in a long. Just gotta dig this out. Dig this out. Dig this out. Dig this out. Okay, we're pretty deep. Now I'm gonna try to use my foot. My foot's gonna go in it. He's a good foot.
You probably found something.
I didn't.
It's ice. Guys, my brother's having a hard time right now.
Okay. This is really hard to do. Come on. Use the lazy power. What would Luigi do? What would he do?
Did you find a different color yet?
Nope.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure I'm getting close to just on ice. No, that's a bolt. I found a bolt. You have to get on up.
Where's the boot?
Oh, okay. Can I have look? Look. Let me have a look.
That makes it ends.
No, it's not. Can you guys see the bolt right there? It's pretty deep.
The digging cave Benson.
Okay,
Have you found another color? Ow.
you do it. Let's both do it. Oh, jeez. Sorry, vlog. Let's trip. So that's the end of, no, that's the end of the helicopter finding. So, I hope you liked it. Let's go look at some more stuff. What? So this is a nice little path here I made. It's kind of hard to get up though.
Can we hold it for you?
Nah. I got it. Okay. And here is what's left of the helicopter.
And now we try unbuild it.
So do you want to hold it?
Sure.
So while I'm digging, my hands aren't that snowy. Mine are really snowy. I found some. Okay, I'm just going to dig here. Can't see me?
Hey, it's looking at Lily.
Turn around, Lil. Turn around. Don't turn it. Make sure you can see. Almost free. Yeah, I'm up. Free. I'm up. Okay. A little bit more.
How the heck?
Much snow. And there's this. Okay, now this looks like no, but I'm just gonna. this is not turning out great.
I'll help you.
Okay.
It's lucky babies.
Here, look right down in there. You do it right down in there, right there. Dig right there. Lily, you're digging in the wrong spot. Dig right there. Dig right there.
That's good.
That's good. That's more than I had.
So what are you doing now?
After we played in the snow, now we're gonna have some hot chocolate.
Yeah, because we're very cold.
Okay, enjoy. How is it?
It's like cold.
Cold?
Yeah.
Doesn't taste warm? Do you need more?
Oh, it's because the mint.
Yeah. Oh, what happened?
Can you guys it?
Yeah.
Both do this.
You have a beard. Ay, it's on your hand. Don't plug your nose. Look at your hand.
And plug my nose. Can you go right here?
Uh-huh.
You're right here.
Your face. Did you by chance have your mouth on this? I think you might have,
I want to go my face.
yeah.
I like my face down. Only rules to eat.
And what did you just tell me?
And I just literally cut this strawberry off this one with a baby knife.
You literally?
Mm-hmm.
That looks so yummy.
See another knife with baby one. That's I just called this.
That looks so good. We made them last night, huh? You and me?
Mm-hmm.
Good job cutting. So next time we should probably not cut on your hand. Good thing it's not a real knife, but.
Yeah, because Mom, that's how you have to hold it.
Well, you can set it on the table and then cut it. That looks so delicious.
Because Mom, then you cut the paper and you cut the table.
Oh.
I guess that was weird.
So I'm only actually going to put these people on hard just to make sure.
What's the matter?
Now, what we
You
have
can't
to
reach
do is
them?
make sure we get up to speed. I like getting up to one
There's your
level
babies.
before max speed, because when you are max speed, it becomes
Lil, can you pause it for a
almost
second?
impossible to dodge these things unless you're frame perfect. But
What is it, Tay? Oh. Oh, what are these? Hey. Are these all your babies?
No,
Yes, they are.
they're mine.
Say yes. Good job.
Bitch,
Babies?
they're my babies. Hey.
Which one do you want? You need the blankie? You're such a good mommy. Take care of all your babies. Okay, baby. 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 Did you have chocolate?
Oh, there's one more.
Tabry, is that yummy? Yeah.
I've been watching the monkey.
Have you? Did that just hit the spot? Tabry, Hey. Show Daddy. She's winking at you. Lily, Tabor's winking at you.
Katie.
You're cute.
Mom, look. Papa, Mom, watch this. Mom, watch this.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll find out.
Here.
What'd you make?
CHKETCHUP.
You got a telescope? Can you see you're good from it?
Outside. OUT. This one's hard for me. I
Oh,
can't
Tabor's
see.
making a telescope.
So you need to help me with this one.
Hey, my guys.
OU.
Mom, is this
OU.
mine?
Find all the
Yeah.
O's and the U next to it. O. So I just find the O's and I go around them and see if there's any U's next to it. OU. No, it's not long enough. OU. I. OU. OUH. OUT. SIDE.